Hi guys, this is Shelly. I'm going to show you guys how to use a microwave to heat up frozen food. Here we have...
Momo, I have an assistant named Haley.
Yes, and I have an assistant named Haley. Right here, Haley, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so Haley's going to be assisting me today and we're going to show you how to heat up your frozen food. Okay, so I have two types of food here. The first one is cheeseburgers. Put this up here. The second one is spaghetti. Everybody loves spaghetti. You like spaghetti, Haley?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's go over some basics. So a microwave. When you're looking at a microwave, you will see that it has the minutes and the seconds. So oops. Yeah, let me put this back. So the first two digits are the minutes, and then the last two digits are the seconds. So, for example, if I want 3 minutes, I'm gonna go 3, okay, and then where's my 0? 0, 0. So it's 3 minutes and 0 seconds. Now if I want, so I'm gonna clear this. Now if I want 5 minutes and 30 seconds, then I'm gonna press 5. And then 30 seconds, so it's 3, 0. So it's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. There's different type of microwaves, so there's different type of options, but I just want you to know that there's a start button. All microwave has a start button. And all microwaves will have a clear and stop button. If you want to clear this time, if you don't want 5 minutes and 30 seconds and you want something else, you're going to press clear. Are you listening here, Haley? Because you're going to do this in a bit too, okay? So you're going to press clear, and when you clear, it's going to go back to the current time. Okay? And let's say 5 minutes and 30 seconds again. So 5, 30 is 3, 0. So now we have 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And if we're ready to heat up our food, we're gonna press start. See that? Okay, there's nothing inside right now. I just want you guys to see it. Okay, so I wanna stop this. Then I will press stop, and it'll tell me that I still have 5 minutes and 21 seconds left. Well, I don't want that anymore, so I can clear it. And then I'll go back to current time. Okay? All right, sounds easy enough. Some microwaves, like this one, has auto cook. So what auto cook does is it just sets the time for you. So let's say you're heating up bread. Okay? You go to auto cook, and it's auto cook for 1. 1 is bread, 2 is soup, 3 is baked potato, and so on and so on. Then you press start, and I'll just set the time for you. Okay, so let me stop this, and I'm going to clear the time, and it goes back to the current time. Okay, so those are just some basic function. Now let's take a look at what we have here. What we have here is spaghetti.
Can I have a quick question?
Yes, Haley.
Why is it green?
Why is what green? This right here? Why is this green?
When we do on the phone.
Oh.
The iPad.
Oh, it just because that's the color. I know it looks different on our phone versus in real life, but it's okay. Okay, let's go back to our spaghetti. So we want to heat up this spaghetti, right? Frozen food will give you directions on how to heat it up in the microwave, like this one, for example. On the side, as you see, it says instructions for heating up in the microwave. See? Microwave oven only. Okay, so the first step it says is to, of course, open the box. So let's open the box. Try to do this with one hand. Okay? So now I have that out. Okay, got that out. Thank you, Haley. See this? Okay.
Can I do it in the trash can?
Oh, not yet, Haley. We still need this for directions. So once you open it, that's a very good question, Haley. Don't throw away the box, because you need the box for instructions, right? If you throw away the box, then how do you know how many minutes to put it in the microwave? So don't throw away the box until you're done. Okay, so our frozen spaghetti is here. The first step is to take it out of the box. The second step, it says, is to cut the film to vent. Okay, you don't need to cut it. What you can do is you can just slightly and gently peel all four corners. So 1, 2, from the side, 3, 4. Okay. And then that's step number 1. Step number 2, it says cook for 4 minutes on high. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to open this, put this in here, close it up, and now we need to set it for 4 minutes. How do we set it for 4 minutes, Haley? What do we press?
4.
Press 4. Okay, and then what? 0, 0, right?
0.
That's 4 minutes and 0 seconds. We want 4 minutes and 0 seconds. Just like it says on the box. It says number 4, okay? And then once we do that, what do we press? Start.
Start.
Okay? And then it will start. So we'll do that for 4 minutes. You can smell it already, huh, Haley? Smells good, huh? Okay. All right. You don't want to stand too close to the microwave, okay? Okay, so we're gonna let that go.
Where it might burn you?
Yes, if you stand too close to the microwave.
And mostly kids because they're littler.
Yes, so the radiation from the microwave is not good for you. That's why don't stand too close to the microwave, okay? So let's say this is already 4 minutes. 4 minutes, it's done. We take it out, and the next step it says to stir. So first we would have to open it, right? So let's take it out. Peel this film all the way to the back. Stir it. And then put it back in for 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now.
Can I get the fork for you?
Yes, please. Clear this right here. Okay, I'll do this. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna cover it. It says here, once you have stirred it, you recover it. So I recover it. And the reason why we want to recover it, or why we want to cover it, is so that it doesn't splatter all over the microwave. So I'm going to put it back in. Put it back in. Okay. And then once we put it back in, it says cook again for 2 minutes. Again, how do we set 2 minutes, Haley?
A 2 and then 0 minutes.
Yeah, 0 seconds. So 2 minutes and 0 seconds. And then what do we press?
Start button.
Start. Okay. Okay. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm gonna have Haley show you. Haley, now it's your turn. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I'm gonna have Haley show you how to do burgers. Haley, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. So let's always look for the instructions. Okay, here we go. In the back, it says directions for microwave. Okay, open, it says open packet,
Pause it.
a small amount at each end to vent.
Can you pause it? Can you just help me for a minute? Can you help me with the oven? Because I don't really know how to do it yet.
Okay, that's fine, yes. And if you guys are doing this for the first time on your own, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you have your parents or your siblings helping you out, okay? So I take out, here we go, 1 pack. And the direction says, first thing you want to do is open the ends here for ventilation. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Can you help mommy open?
We have those at my school too.
Yeah. Haley, can you hold this for mommy really quick?
Yes.
Okay, hold it like that, okay? Keep it straight like that. Pointing at this directions here. I'm going to get an oven safe plate. Okay, so thank you. Okay, back. So what you want to do is, again, you want to open both ends, okay? And you're going to put it in an oven safe plate, like it says. Not oven safe, sorry, microwave safe. Microwave safe plate. And you're going to put it in to the microwave. Yeah. Put this out here and put this back in here.
Tasty.
Okay.
It's the reason why we have to open the side so it gets hot inside too, because if we block it with the bag, it will still be cold.
That's a very good question. So the reason why we open both ends is so that it doesn't pop. When there's too much pressure, when we heat it up, there's pressure, right? So if we don't open the bag, it's gonna heat up, expand, the air is gonna expand, and it might pop, and we don't want that, okay? But that's a very good question. Okay, so it says here, microwave on high for 1 to 1.5 minutes, okay? But remember, when you're done, let it stand for 1 minute before opening, because you don't want it to be too hot. It says, caution, cheeseburgers could be hot, and that's the reason why you want to let it sit for a minute. Okay, so it says 1 to 1.5. So let's clear this. We want it, again, clear. If you want to clear the time, always clear the time before you start. Because sometimes when people are done using the microwave, they don't clear it, so we don't know if that's the time or if that's where they stop. So it's always best to just clear it. Okay, so I'll clear it, and then let's do a minute. So 1 and 30 seconds. Okay, and then we press start and let it go. This one is a quick one, so we'll just let it run all the way through.
That smells good.
So it's counting down. See seconds, that's why it's moving very fast.
It smells good.
It does.
Can't wait to look at it and smell it.
Can't wait to eat it.
Yeah. It looks yummy. It smells delicious too.
It does. Alright, Haley, you're going to do the next one, okay? You ready to do the next one? Sure. Okay, so 27 seconds. 25.
I'm not good.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off.
See? And it says and it makes that beep, beep, beep noise to let you know that it's done. So this one's done. Oops. Okay, this one's done. I'm going to take this out. And it says to let it sit for a minute. So we're going to let it sit for a minute. And we're going to go ahead and start on another one. So I'm going to let this one sit for a minute. Ooh, can you smell it, Haley? It smells delicious, huh? Okay.
It smells like patties.
Okay, I'm going to need you to move a little bit closer, Haley.
You mean Haley?
I know you can't read, but do you remember what mommy said? What's the first step?
Open it.
Yeah, open the, yeah, so can you go ahead and do that, or do you need help?
I need help opening
Okay, so why don't you hold this? I'm gonna open it for you.
Okay.
Okay, hold it, okay? Okay, and then it says to place it on a microwave safe plate. So here we go. We're on a microwave safe plate. And then we're gonna put it in the microwave. Okay, Taylor, you're gonna need to move on this side because you're gonna need to set the timer. Okay, so right here.
Okay.
Okay.
This is my
All right.
first time.
It's your first time, yeah. You can do this. You got this. Okay, it says 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. Okay, so.
Can you help me press them?
Okay, so press clear first. Always press clear. Good. Now press 1. Can you find 1?
1.
Oh, press it harder. Good. Now we want 1 minute and 30 seconds. So 30 is 3,
3,
0.
0.
Very good. And then you're gonna press start. Start. Very good. Okay. And that's it, guys.
I did it.
You did it. Good job. High five. Good job. Well, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, okay? Stay tuned for some more videos. I'll try to upload at least 1 or 2 videos per week. All right. Bye for now.